Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the KPI Manager to create a balanced scoreboard and use it to analyze key performance indicators. Key performance indicators are used to compare consumptions, yields, or quantities. With the KPI Manager, you can determine key performance indicators tailored to your company and evaluate them with your own evaluation system. Open the KPI Manager to add new key performance indicators. Select the formula according to which the key performance indicator should be calculated and name the key performance indicator. Select the period for which the key performance indicator is to be determined. Additionally, set which time period is to serve as the comparison for the trend analysis. Define the operands for the key performance indicators. You can choose whether this should be the measured values of a device or a constant. If key performance indicators already exist, they can also be used as operands. Define the evaluation levels as well as the rising and falling trend. Take a look at the preview of the balanced scoreboard. The evaluation and the trend are displayed here in addition to the key performance indicators and operands. Finally, save the settings. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For information, please visit wiki.janitzer.de.